Gone are the days of scrambling for exact change or that awkward moment of handing over a crumpled bill. Thanks to the magic of digital wallets, settling debts with friends can be as smooth and potentially as emoji-filled as a text message. Today, we're diving into the world of Venmo, a popular peer-to-peer payment app, and specifically how to send money using it. Whether you're splitting a pizza bill with your squad or reimbursing a friend for concert tickets, Venmo has you covered. So, ditch the rummaging through your wallet for loose bills and grab your phone instead. Here's your ultimate guide to sending money on Venmo. Step 1. Download and set up your Venmo app. First things first, you'll need the Venmo app. It's available for free on both iOS and Android devices. Download it, install it, and get ready to embark on a journey of convenient money transfers. Opening the app will take you through a quick setup process. You'll need to create an account by providing your phone number or email address, link a bank account or debit card for funding, and choose a strong password. Pro tip: creating a unique password for Venmo, and all your financial apps for that matter, is a great way to keep your information secure. Step 2. Find your friend on Venmo. Now that you're all set up, it's time to locate the lucky recipient of your Venmo generosity, or maybe it's to settle that bet you lost. Venmo offers a few ways to find your friend. Search by username. Most people on Venmo have a unique username, similar to social media platforms. If your friend already told you theirs, simply enter it in the search bar and voila! Their profile should pop up. Search by phone number or email. If you don't know their username, no worries. You can also search for your friend using their phone number or email address linked to their Venmo account. Just a heads up, your friend will need to have their privacy settings adjusted to allow discovery through this method. Step 3. Send that money. Once you've found your friend on Venmo, it's time to send that cash, virtually, of course. Here's how. Tap the Pay/Request button. This button is usually located at the bottom center of your Venmo app screen. It might have an icon of a person with an arrow pointing outwards. Select your friend. Choose your friend from the list of recent contacts or search for them again if needed. Enter the amount. Here's where you decide how much you're sending. Simply tap the amount field and enter the desired number. Add a note. Optional: spice things up with a friendly note. Maybe a funny reference to why you're sending money, or a simple thanks for lunch. You can even add emojis to personalize your payment. Step 4. Choose your funding source. Before hitting that final send button, you need to decide where the money is coming from. Venmo offers two options. From your Venmo balance, if you've previously added money to your Venmo account through a linked bank account or debit card, this will be the default option. From your bank account or debit card, you can also choose to directly link your bank account or debit card for this specific transaction. Step 5. Send it off. Double-check everything looks good, the recipient, the amount, the funding source, and then tap that glorious Pay button. Your friend will receive a notification letting them know you've sent them money, and the funds will be instantly transferred to their Venmo account. Bonus tip: sending money with a credit card? There's a fee. While sending money with your linked bank account or debit card is free, there's a small catch with credit cards. Venmo charges a 3% fee for using a credit card to send money. It's a good idea to keep this in mind before selecting your funding source. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.